I'm Giacomo Muscat of Malta Themed Tours. And yes, I probably have the best looking uniform in the business. When you're your own Grandmaster, you can wear whatever you want. Of course, that also means I wear a lot of hats. A quality tour isn't just about facts and footnotes. At Malta Themed Tours, it's theater in the streets. We turn Malta's history into living, breathing storytelling, where history hits harder than fiction, and where immersive memories stay with you for a lifetime. As I embody real historical individuals preserved in our archives, I narrate their personal stories in the first person, and every location becomes a factual build-up, revealing the real social realities, secrets, hopes, and hardships of the people who shaped our island. Our innovative experiences attract discerning guests who want to experience authenticity, who want to truly understand what it meant to be Maltese, who want to uncover the extraordinary, not the ordinary.
Experience Malta at its most magical. Live its greatest histories. Uncover its hidden mysteries.